one to them people, then they show them colors.
And when me come from, they usually say my shoes are big bread. To all them shoes are expensive, them are big Skittles.
I want somebody to talk to come here go through depression.
Alright, so use the word professional in a sentence for me.
This is generation for TVJ News.
If you want to know how to run fast, come to Jamaica.
I give me that now.
I am a professional Jamaican.
What's good, YouTube? It's a girl Kelly, and today I'm back again with the next YouTube video. So guys, as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, today I'm back again with the next 5-minute craft reaction video. Oh my gosh, we have not done a 5-minute craft video in so long. Now I know what 5-minute craft are going to be, so we're going to just get in straight into it. Before I get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know say subscribe free, no money has to pay, free stuff, free things, and free things. Okay. So let's just get straight into this video. Alright, so we'll start off with the first one. If you try put up spoon, power Nutella can, and you just now put up or one Nutella container or jar, and it just now go up, just bite up a spoon.
One to them people, then they show
Okay,
them
Miss
colors.
Iron Mode. Because what? But come on now, who did this? Jokes. Might be them I try before. It might be one little game, one little jokes, one little joke. Anyway, so I go to the next one right now. So okay, so kids, do not try them stupidities here at home because they may appear foolishness. Let's get to the next one. Alright, so if you're reading a book and oh my gosh, you're just so tired and you just want to remember the next page, so when I go continue read again, you can come back and look at the book. Just
Bad, poor.
spray ketchup on the page. Why would you spray ketchup on the page now? How are you going to see? How are you going to see? We're going to wipe it off, pluck and pluck. You know how me so can drip my book anytime I read, me no want nothing on the page, but me go take up one bucket of ketchup and just spray it. Oh my gosh, this is a crime. Okay. That don't make no sense. Again, kids, do not try this at home because your mother gonna slap you on your hand. Alright, so we're going to the next one now because
Bad, poor.
and when we come from, they usually say my shoes are big bread. To all them shoes are expensive, them are big Skittles.
Hello.
Who for picture your ass? But anyways, we're gonna see what this I got into, cause okay. Please don't come with your shenanigans. Please don't come with your shenanigans. This come like a predict future or something. What I gonna do? Every single shoes me have, I'm gonna put balloon on it, so I'm gonna step in a pluck and pluck it.
Side eye.
Are you and your auntie them I go walk around with balloon front on your boot them. Guys, look at the difference. Me the right here, sir, right? You can't barely see me. And look. You see different with lighting. Like me not understand why the big old cool shade one coming in a center eye camera. So me have to go right here, so. Or me have to go right here, so. Like who? Alright, next. Crayon pan slippers. I could show this I going to. Crayon pan slippers, Taiwan, thread around and put it.
Bad, poor.
Watch Spike Hill. Somebody said that Spike Hill there?
Side eye.
I must be some Instagram picture, cause what me where this go? Like might be some Instagram picture. Might be some. No, you know what? Me not pick up for them. Me keep on a pick up for the foolishness and the little idiot stuff. Me not pick up for them no more. But Instagram picture, it's foolishness. Nobody now wear crayon pan them boot. What kind of Spike Hill? Look how much slipper the pan sheen for $1 and $2. And I hear say you're gone. Nothing wrong, go on. Nobody now come back for you. Anyway, so I go to the next one.
I cut my teeth on wedding rings in the movies.
File paper on your foot. File paper.
In the torn up town, no postcode envy.
When I just tell him say only for free slippers pan sheen. What? Uggs? By the time I go downstairs that mash up. File paper? Foolishness. Alright, so if you sit on panitalita, you just push your foot forward and your slipper just pop out of nowhere, cause oh my gosh, why would your slippers pop out if you just push it forward? Anyways, just fling it aside and kick it aside and cut out one paper, because why not? And Oh please, you and your flip-flop dolly or soft slippers. Them are some weak slippers. You're not even can step too hard. You know this I go pop out or it go tear or something flip there go happen.
Okay.
Because what, where and when, how, who even sit down and say, oh my gosh, let's do this. Might be this come like some spa slippers. And good slippers get destroyed and this is your comeback. Okay. Let us see finishing look.
One to them people, then they show them colors.
Good slippers punching. That's all I'm have to say. Who even come up with that full idea here? Anyway, so we go to the last one because 5 minute crap is giving me a heart attack 3 times. I nearly fall down, but I just never shoot on camera. What if I not see my crap on my right hand tight and jiggle man bright?
One to them people, then they show them colors.
Bad, poor.
Queen of calm down.
Who come up with the idea here? Who sit down and say, oh my gosh, let's just go and create this skit where you just sit down and act like you do number 2 in one basket in the hoods? Because only people in the hoods and on the toilet. Anyways guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below. And if you're here from TikTok, just comment down below and let me know if you're here from TikTok. Look a bit more and later.
Use the word professional in a sentence for me.
This is Generation 40.